What's going on, mi gente? My name is Raziel Liz, and you're watching We Alive and Living. What's going on, mi gente? Thank you for tuning into We Alive and Living. You're not going crazy. I am laying down in the backseat of a car. It's my car. I'm waiting for my friend to come out of a flight. His flight got delayed about 45 minutes to an hour. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is putting your movies on Amazon. I promised one of my viewers that I was going to do this video and I forgot. I got so caught up doing things and I thought about it right now and I said, you know what, let me just talk about it right now and I'll edit this later. So basically, talking to all my filmmakers and you want to get your movies out there to the world, especially on a site like Amazon where you can put it up there digitally and you can also make DVDs and sell them on Amazon as well. And you know, you get profits back depending on how many times people stream your videos or watch it, and you get to pick a price point and everything. So what you want to go, and this is going to be a quick run through it, right? What you want to do is go to Google. And I say this because sometimes when I type it into the search bar, it doesn't come up exactly. But go to Google and type in www.primevideodirect.com. And it's going to take you to a site affiliated with Amazon. I think Amazon actually owns them. Now, when you get there, you can actually put your Amazon account information if you're already an Amazon member. If you're not, just register a regular account, put your name and your information, then go and take you to the steps. But, you know, your name, your address, your billing information, the whole 9 yards. Once you do that, on the top right, it's going to have all your columns where you need to actually click on to go through the process of loading up your movie. I'm not going to go step by step on every single thing because it's self-explanatory when you get there, but I am going to tell you the parts that I had to troubleshoot. It took me a long time to figure out because I didn't have the information I'm sharing with you right now. Your movie has to be an MPEG-4 file format. There's other formats it can be in, like MOV and stuff like that, but MP4 is the best one they want. So you put it in that format. Also, make sure your equalizer, your levels, and everything is good. They'll still accept the movie that doesn't look fantastic, but sometimes they give you issues if it don't. So make sure your movie is at least decent quality. It doesn't have to be movie quality, perfect, but decent quality, and the vocals and everything. But one of the things I did run into trouble was with loading up the captions and loading up the actual picture. When it came to the movie itself, it took that really fast. But what I had the most problem, and the reason I made this video is because when I was troubleshooting with the site, it was giving me trouble. It was a hard time. And then also when I was speaking to them on the customer service, it took a while for them to get back to me. So in other words, you send a message today, they won't get back to you until like 2 or 3 days later. And then it can be pretty frustrating, especially if the information they gave you didn't work the first time and you have to ask them again. Or if you got past that situation and you want to ask them a different question. So let's go into captions. With captions, I'm not going to sit here and lie and say I know how to do the captions myself because I don't. I know how to go about them. I believe I can do them, but I'm going to give you a quick, easy way, a cheat way on how to do it. Load up your entire movie to YouTube. So hold on, I know you're thinking like, wait a minute, I want to put it on Amazon. What am I going to put it on YouTube for? Load up your entire movie to YouTube. Put it on private so only you see it, or unlisted, whichever the case may be. You load up your whole entire movie there. Give it about an hour or so once it's there. After it's there, go to the movie, click on edit, and go into your edits where you can see your basic information, your translations and everything, and you go to captions. Click on caption. In that drop-down menu, you're going to see somewhere where you can actually edit the caption. There's a plane passing by, so I apologize if you can't hear me. In that drop-down, hold on a second, I'm going to edit this to jump the plane. Like I was saying, in that drop down, there's going to be your captions. In the caption drop down, you're going to see all your captions and you can actually edit it where you can type in different things. Now, don't type in anything. Just go through the whole drop down and copy and paste the entire thing from the top to bottom. It's going to have all the vocals and everything that your movie is saying. Everything, all the talking in your movie, the music and everything is going to have it written out so you can see at the bottom of the screen. You copy and you take that, you copy that and you paste it on the caption side where Amazon is requesting it from you. There's going to be a part where you got a screen with 3 things they're going to be requesting: the movie, the cover arts, and the caption. Now that's the cheap way of how to do it for the captions. There are websites you could go to where you could pay them and send your movie in, and they'll send you all the captions back for about 100, probably like $75 or so. I've seen them, but actually troubleshooting around looking for a different way to do it, I found this way. It's the quick way and the cheapest way. Actually, it's free, but the only thing is sometimes some of the caption be off. So when you're editing it, if you got the time, or if you're like me and you're patient, go when you're on YouTube and you're looking at it, read your whole movie and correct any misspelled words, especially if your movie's using slang or anything like that. YouTube might not catch on to it, and they might write words that the movie's actually not saying. Once you got your captions, you copy and paste that onto Amazon. Another thing that's going to give you trouble, or gave me trouble, is uploading the picture. They want you to upload 3 different pictures. 2 of them is mandatory, 1 is optional. The first one is for when people are browsing through Amazon. So it's like a left and right vertical picture. Not vertical, I'm sorry, left and right picture, horizontal, if I'm using the term correctly. Like a widescreen. Is that picture first, and they're gonna have the dimensions there. So make sure the dimensions are exactly of what they want, or they will not put it. If you're having trouble with making the covers to the dimensions, just get the dimensions they're asking you for, and go to Google, type in the dimension, and then download a template and put your photo over that. The second picture they want is the picture that people see when they're actually on Amazon Prime Video. You know, the up and down one, like a CD cover, like a DVD cover. And same thing, they want the dimensions for that. The third one they want is one for when people are on your movie, like on a tablet or on the phone. There's a bigger picture plays behind it. It'll be blurred and you can see it. Just makes your video look better when people come to it. It looks more professional. It's not mandatory, but it's good to have up there. Another thing you could put there is actually the trailer to your movie, which is pretty cool. So you can put the movie and the trailer. So make sure you upload that in MP4 format as well, along with the movie. But the trailer is optional. Those are the main things that gave me trouble when I was uploading things to Amazon. The movie takes about 4 to 5 business days to be uploaded, and sometimes it goes quicker, sometimes it can take a little bit longer depending on the traffic. But that's basically a way to put your movies on Amazon Prime Video direct, and through them they have other columns that they give you access to make DVDs. Actually send them to yourself, or just leave them on the site where people could buy them themselves and have an actual DVD for the movie. The cool thing about it is they also let you go in there and look at the stats, so you can see the stats of how your movie is doing in different countries, from Japan to the UK to the United States, Germany, whatever the case may be. All those places, London, you can see where your movie's being played. Now remember, Amazon Prime or Amazon Video is a huge platform, so people from all around the world clicking this movie, along with the people you're advertising to on your social media sites. There's times where I'm too busy to advertise the movie, and I'm still receiving residual checks and royalty checks from Amazon from loading my movie up there a while ago. I have a movie up there called Mistakes and Monsters, and another movie called The Unplugged episodes. It's pretty cool. I'm actually loading up more projects up there later on, but I just wanted to give a quick sit down, a quick lay down with you guys on how to get your movies out there, because I feel a lot of people don't know this. A lot of information is not exposed to everybody. And again, like I said, it's not a tutorial on how to get your movie up there. This is a way for you to know where to go. So just go to Prime Video Direct, put your Amazon account or make a new account, go to the top right drop down, follow the steps. It's going to take you step by step by step on what they want you to do. You might just run into a little bit of troubleshooting in those areas I talked about. You can rewind the video as many times you need to understand what I meant. In the YouTube part, which is a little confusing, it took me some time to understand as well. Remember, you go to YouTube, load your movie, put it on private, and once it's up there, click on edit and go to captions. When you go to captions, click edit captions and copy and paste your whole entire captions into Amazon where it's requesting you to put it up. There's really nothing else I can remember that gave me troubleshooting aside for the fact of Amazon. I was actually down. Amazon Prime Video Direct was actually down at the time when I was trying to do it. So it took like a month for it to go up there. But my second movie went up in 3 to 4 days, which is awesome. Another thing I want to make sure you guys do not do: don't add watermarks to your pictures when you're uploading it, because they won't tell you that that's the problem, but you'll get a red explanation point telling you something's wrong with your picture, even though the dimensions are right. And for those that don't know what a watermark is, the watermark is, you know how you have like the widescreen on top of the video where you have the black hair and the pictures in the middle. Make sure you don't have that on your picture, or they won't accept it. Hope you guys have a good time uploading your video. It feels good to see it up there. Get it out to the world, market it, and start making some money on the hard work you put into these movies. I hope this video was informative. Subscribe, give a little like, give a little share, do a little comment, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm Raziel. You're watching Real Live and Live It.